Hello everyone, welcome back. Hope you all are doing great. Today we will understand the difference between traditional failover and the smart failover. Today's failover, like how SD-WAN devices perform failover. So what I am assuming that here I have one router. Let's suppose I have one edge router here, WAN edge router R1, which is connected with two different ISP, ISP1 and ISP2. In the traditional failover, what we were configuring, this is my switch and here we have LAN devices. If I will talk about the traditional WAN, right? Earlier, how we were configuring the failover over here. For an example, this is my primary ISP and this is my backup ISP. Backup ISP. So how you will configure the failover on router number one? Earlier, we were using track here, SLA and track. To track the ISP, whenever complete connectivity will goes down, then it will ship the traffic. For an example, router 1 is forwarding all the traffic to ISP1. If ISP1 will goes down, your track will goes down. How your track will goes down? Let's say here on ISP1 there is one service 1.1.1. So we are tracking that service. If that service is not reachable, then my track will goes down. And if my track will goes down, then SLA will goes down. When my SLA will goes down, then router will perform failover. It will shift the traffic from ISP1 to ISP2. This is how we were doing the failover earlier in the network. What about the poor quality of this link? If the link quality is not good, let's say the connectivity is still there. 1.1.1 is still reachable. That means your track is still up. If track is up, your SLA is up. If your SLA is up, router will be forwarding all the traffic towards ISP1. But this link, ISP2 link, is behaving better than ISP1 link, but still your router is forwarding traffic to ISP1. Why? Because your track is up and your SLA is up, right? But which link is behaving better? ISP2 link. So if I will talk about the modern failover, in modern failover, your router, you need to first replace this router. Here you need to install a smart router, which is your SD-WAN, WAN edge devices, VH and CH. And this smart router will be checking the quality of link, these two link. WAN doesn't matter the connectivity. Connectivity doesn't matter. Maybe connectivity is there to 1.1.1 or connectivity is not there. If connectivity is not there, definitely it will fail over. If this link is not behaving better than this link. So my smart router will be forwarding traffic to the ISP based on their WAN link quality. Based on the link of quality, not based on the connectivity, that connectivity is there or not. This particular thing is called a smart failover, right? Which we are using in the today's WAN technologies in the SD-WAN. SD-WAN is what? The future of WAN technology. Hope it is clear to you. If yes, it is clear, then please hit on like button. We'll meet soon in next video. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye, guys.